This statement is taken from DAWN News, being recorded at the rate of 80 WPM start. Despite objections from the Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz (start) PMA lane over, the Sindh government granted Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf (start) PTI over permission to hold a public rally at Baghe Jinnah. However, the opposition party later accused the provincial administration of wasting their time and announced that the gathering would instead be held outside the Quaid-e-Azam's mausoleum. In a late-night development, PTI spokesperson Fozia Siddiqui said in a post on X, formerly Twitter, that the Sindh government had delayed matters unnecessarily, as the Deputy Commissioner East issued a no objection certificate start NOC over at around 6:30 p.m. on Saturday. The public power witnessed in Karachi yesterday has frightened them. They don't understand what to do now, she stated, adding that PTI supporters would gather at the public gate of the Mazar-e-Qaid at 2 p.m. along with their guest, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Chief Minister Suhail Afridi. She said the party would hold its public meeting at the VIP gate. Responding to the announcement, Sindh Home Minister Zia Lanjar warned the strict action would be taken if any public rally was held on the road, stressing that no one would be allowed to challenge the writ of the government. A visit to Baghe Jinnah on Saturday evening showed no signs of preparations, while PTI workers were seen assembling on the main road near the mausoleum at the Namaish traffic intersection. Earlier, PTI Sindh President Halim Adil Sheikh visited the venue and urged Karachitis to attend the meeting, calling it a demonstration of political loyalty to jailed party leader Imran Khan. He said the response to the party's January 9 mobilization showed Karachi remained Imran Khan's stronghold. Earlier, Sindh Senior Minister Sharjil Inam Memon said a conditional NOC had been issued, placing responsibility for law and order, traffic management and security arrangements on the organizers, while retaining the administration's right to revoke permission on security grounds. Meanwhile, PMLN leader Barrister Raja Khaliquzzama Ansari urged the provincial government to withdraw the permission, warning that allowing a party he accused of promoting an anti-state narrative to hold public rallies could set a dangerous